Hello everyone. So in Windows 11 new 25H2 updates, we have some new features update which has been rolling out for March or February. If you don't know that we got some new update about start menu and also battery percentage. As you can see now, you can show battery percentage and you can also check your Wi-Fi speed test. Just right click on the Wi-Fi icon and you can see there's a performance speed test. So first of all, if I just go to the start menu, now you can see we have an option of view category option. You can choose this from read style, also from list style. Also, I forgot to tell you that if you want to update your PC, just go to the settings menu and go to the Windows update and just check for any updates if you have any latest update. If you don't have 25H2 installed on your Windows PC, you can come to the Windows update and you will find the latest update from here. And the version that I'm currently running now, it is the 26200H027, which is the latest version. And this latest version, you can also get some security update for Windows 11. So let's just go back to the start menu and you can see there's option of list, grid, and category. Now there's another option. If you just right click on the start menu, you can see this the start settings. And here, if you turn all of this on, like if I turn all of this on here, it will show the show most used apps, show recommendation for tips, shortcut new apps, show recommended files, and show recently added apps. Now, if I want to go to the start menu, and as you can see, it will show me recommended, and you can also see the most used app if you used any apps recently. So this is the new start menu. Also, if you click on this right corner of any tile here, it will show also the other apps that you have in this productivity, creativity option there. So this is the new start menu update. And another update is you can see there's a percentage showing on my battery. So if you want to enable this option, just go to your settings, then go to the system option. And if you see the power and battery option here, you can see there's the battery percentage option. You need to turn this on here, and this will show you the battery percentage of the battery here. And if you click on this tray icon, it will show the battery percentage also in the tray menu here. And if you click on the Wi-Fi, you can see there's an option of perform speed test. You can now test your Wi-Fi speed from here. Just click on it. It will directly go to the Microsoft Edge, and you can start to test your internet speed. Just clicking on the Wi-Fi and then start here. So these are some new features in Windows 11. Also, if you go to the settings option, go to the system option and go down and go to the recovery option. You can see there's an option of quick machine recovery, and now it is automatically turned on. So if you have this turned off, now it will be automatically turned on your Windows 11 PC. So that's it, guys. This is some new features are Windows 11 in the new version of 25H2. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.